Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Forever. So, I came back to share a few of my positional trades so far in Jan 2022. So, before sharing that information, let me make a promise to you, which I was doing with my closed ones. So, I honestly share the trade details, what I exactly do. I just don't give recommendations. I trade and then share the information to my friends and even in my channels. So that's why I call it's my trade, not my recommendation. That's a promise I'm making to you. So this is the PNL summary. You can pause the video and have a look at all the information. Currently, Z Tech, Mahindra, and Sanofi are the three stocks where I'm holding the position. So I want to give you something if you are a beginner or even if you are a mid in the mid level in terms of trading experience. So these things may help you to boost your trading strategy. So I personally use Google Sheet to maintain and track all my trades. So I recommend you to learn the Google Sheet and get to know the Google Finance and import HTML, such kind of cool features in Google Sheet. And one more thing, this is a cloud stored, so you can open it in a mobile or any PC wherever you go. So even I'm suggesting you to create a investing.com account, which I really use for my trades. So soon I'll be making some videos on this portal how I use it for my trades, so that you may get some good idea. But you can have it ready. um, and recently, right, like I got few successes in my positional trades, and even I uploaded those videos. You can go to my channel and you have a look. Uh, the strategy what I used, I used the supply demand and RSI and stochastic RSI indicators and demand zone. So these I have explained this concept how I used in my trades. So, and I have a Telegram channel, and I will be giving that information in the video description below. So you can join. So as soon as I take a position, I share the details with my friends. But I don't share the quantity, but I share all other information, which is enough for anybody to take a position. But make sure you do your own analysis before entering any position. So thank you for watching, and like the video if you really feel it. Okay, share the video if it helps someone else, and subscribe if you feel it's really worth subscribing. Thank you.